Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking in prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps now. Choose a validated test or an official supervised exam and schedule a continuous 30-60-minute block. Once done, clear distractions, silence notifications, gather a pen and scrap paper, and ensure stable internet or testing center arrival. Make sure to complete sample items to warm up reasoning speed, then register and verify your identity if required. Start the timed sections exactly on schedule and treat the session as a formal assessment. You now move into the complex middle steps and focused execution. Read instructions once, then start answering. Prioritize speed with accuracy by watching section time and allocating seconds per item. Once you hit a hard item, mark it, skip, and return rather than wasting minutes. Use elimination strategies on multiple choice and sketch quick diagrams for spatial problems. Make sure to answer every question because an educated guess beats a blank. Maintain steady breathing and brief eye rests to preserve focus throughout. You finish by converting performance into an interpretable IQ level and taking final steps. Once done, note raw correct answers, then consult the test norms to get scaled IQ and percentile. Interpret results as a range rather than an exact fixed number. If you need an official certificate or clinical clarity, arrange professional supervised assessment. Make sure to retest after weeks if results feel inconsistent. Troubleshooting tip: if the session was interrupted or you felt unwell, pause and schedule a supervised retest to ensure valid scores.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.